Hey everybody, you can't really tell, but the moon is out over the trees over there.
We're going to try to get a good photo for you.
Okay everybody, this is our trip up to Sycamore Point Volunteer Canyon. And we came across this sign, fire activity ahead. So because they got fire activity going on, we're gonna have to figure something else out.
So since there was a fire, Gidget and I found a beautiful place to stay. You got to see this. This is just incredible. There's our tent and our Jeep and our little side table.
Come on, Finn. Finn, come. Judging from how barren this spot is and how it's kind of squared out, I'd say that there was a tent here. A hobbit lay here. Their bonds were cut. The tracks lead away from the tent markings. Into Fangle Forest. Hey everybody, you can't really tell, but the moon is out over the trees over there.
We're going to try to get a good photo for you. Looks really awesome. There was a fire this way, so that road was blocked. We came back, found a great place to set up tent.
And so tomorrow we're going to have to kind of backtrack a little bit, and we're going to try to go see the Sycamore Falls by way of Williams. So
we're still going to find a way to get there if we can.
bye.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Where are we going?
Well, we're going back to get a little bit of a cell signal so we can remap a new area, because if you guys watched the park so far, you know that the road was closed due to a big fire. So
What a view, huh?
look at this.
Yeah.
Guys, look, it's a deer.
2 of them.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Look at this. This is where we are. We made it, even though we had a fire closure.
We went around through Williams, Ben,
And I don't know if you guys can see all this canyon
right
behind us. We'll get some other shots, but this is Sycamore Canyon in Sycamore Falls. And we're A&G Adventures. And this guy here, if I can get to him, Ben, is fake.
it's not running right now. But as you can see, there is water down there. There's Aaron and Finnick.
Careful, Finn. Don't move it too far.
So from here, that looks like it'd be about a 1,000-foot drop. We'll watch a lot of Kurt and Snow. They're a travel channel that does van life. And we always see him hiking these incredible places. But I didn't see them do this in Arizona. Look at that. And take a half a step down here. I can get to my feet. You can see that is a long ways down.
Aaron has decided to go rock climbing over there. You had to go down that to get over there.
That's very interesting. There's a prickly pear cactus right here. You had to get the camera in here so you can see this. And it's growing right in the middle of this pine tree forest. And all of these trees here have been uprooted by some force.
Whatever that noise is, I think it's frogs in the lake here, but I don't really know 100%.
Swim.
come back.
Good boy. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is truly epic. Holy smoke.
Look at that canyon back there.
Yeah, you can lift it higher. There. Sycamore Canyon lets us.
Well, we'll turn the camera around. This is breathtaking.
On July 18th, 2021, lightning ignited the Rafael Fire and began and burned 78,065 acres of Arizona's capriole ecosystem, most within Sycamore Canyon.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on that notification button so you can be the first one to see it when it posts.